Embrace innovation at the tip of your fingers. Have a product idea and wish you could have expert advice instantly? The Idea Analyzer is your go-to solution. Powered by advanced AI, the Idea Analyzer acts like a virtual consultant that interacts with you to understand your product idea in depth. It will ask follow-up questions to grasp the nuances of your concept better. It encourages you to ask questions and respond as if you were conversing with a human consultant. After thoroughly understanding your idea, it provides an insightful analysis, checking its alignment with current market trends and consumer preferences. It offers high-level advice on potential design and development considerations. You can continue asking questions and refining your idea with the widget, just like in a brainstorming session with a real-life consultant. Your confidentiality is our priority. All inputs remain confidential and may be used anonymously to improve this tool. By using it, you agree to this. With the Idea Analyzer widget, you get a blend of technology and personalized consultancy, transforming your product development process into a smarter, more intuitive experience. Take the first step towards smarter product development with the AI Idea Analyzer and Consultant. Get started today.